Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in this video I have something really stylish for you. These are necklace of crochet art. You can just wear them and make your look more stylish, and you can just make these cute and stylish necklace with crochet by yourself. And these kind of jewelry and necklace malas are really trendy and stylish. So guys, if you want to just make in any color, any design, you can make by using these ideas, and they can be matched with any kind of outfit you're wearing. You can just wear them on any occasion, in any party. They are really convenient and can be worn in any kind of occasion. As you can see, they are with little patterns, little flowers and colors. They are really trendy. Mostly teenage girls really enjoy wearing these kind of jewelry with their tops and any frocks or skirts. I hope guys you're enjoying the video, liking the content in the video, as they all are really stylish and colorful. They can be given to your little girls, as they are really colorful in bubbly colors. They look really chic style. This kind of necklace can be wear with any normal shirt or plain shirt. It will enhance the look totally in stylish way. So guys, as you know that I bring ideas about the crochet patterns for you time to time, and they all ideas are really useful for you if you know how to crochet. You can make these trendy things by yourself. There are so many combos, or you can say that full set of jewelry in this video, which are with their earrings or with their rings. So they all can be customized according to your style, your likings, your outfit. You can make whatever you want with the crochet. These colorful necklaces are really eye-catching and really eye-tempting. With the crochet, you can make your life more colorful by adding these jewelry or any outfit which is embellished with the crochet flowers or 3D flowers on any kind of jewelry or outfit. You have so many ideas in my channel, in my whole channel. Throughout all videos you can just find these ideas. So guys, if you want any kind of idea about crochet patterns, you can just have in my videos. Just go through my videos and check the ideas and the collection. You can see these necklaces are really beautiful and trendy. So guys, these beautiful colors and patterns are especially for you, so that you can just get idea and you just don't miss out any special pattern of crochet. I collect and gather all the information about crochet patterns, about anything, your lifestyle, your fashion, clothings. So just enjoy the ideas on my channel and watch the full videos and give me your feedback through the comments so that I make more videos accordingly for your ideas. And subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I bring more ideas and put any video of crochet patterns, crochet art, so that and you just get a notification and you can watch these useful and trendy videos of crochet patterns. As you know, guys, today's busy life, it's really hard to take out some time and make something really beautiful like this. So I gathered the information for you guys to give you information and ideas. So I just need a little appreciation with your subscription and the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and give me your feedback. If you like the content, please like the video also and share it. So guys, I'll be bringing more ideas and more patterns for you in upcoming videos. Till then, just stick to my channel and wait for more ideas and more stylish way of make your life stylish and colorful with the crochet art. As you know, there is no limit of crochet patterns and arts and designs. So you'll be getting more ideas in my channel. So just enjoy the videos, like the videos, share the videos and give me comments so that I get motivated and I make more videos. I feel happy when I receive your comments and your liking on my video. Please do share. Thank you.